everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor Haselton, and I like to start my videos off with a joke to lighten the mood. So the joke for this video is, what did one wall say to the other wall? I'll meet you at the corner. So hopefully you got some laughter out of that. This video is going to be about the low content book updates and the no ISBN and things like that. I haven't been able to look too much into this, so a lot of this video is going to be new to me as well, but I think it's great to learn with each other and have a great support system. And I want to apologize for not posting for a little bit. As you can see, it's been about 2 weeks or more. I've been very busy and have some personal things going on, so I just haven't had the time to make the video, but I'm very excited to get this video posted for you guys. So first, if you go to the Amazon KDP website, you can find the low content books FAQ, and this is so helpful. So first, one of the biggest changes is that there is no ISBN now provided for free for low content books. You can buy your own, but if you're publishing hundreds of books or mass uploading or things like that, it's going to get pricey. I mean, even without that, I'm all about saving money. It's just going to be pricey in general. I think you can definitely find some in bulk for cheaper, but for low content books, I personally wouldn't recommend buying an ISBN right now. If you have a very successful business and you know what you're doing, then I definitely think you should. But if you're using low content just to learn and get the hang of KDP, then I personally wouldn't. But that's my own opinion. I'm no expert. You can check out my channel if you want to see anything else I've talked about, but just take any of my advice with a grain of salt and do what is best for you. So how to create low content book, it gives you a little step-by-step. The create button in the dashboard is also a little bit different. I actually kind of like the new one though. It seems pretty cool. Another big change is under categories, you have to select the low content box, and let's see if it has loaded in this page here. Looks like it has not loaded yet, so let me just hit enter again. And I'll just go back here. So under categories, there's going to be 2 boxes, and one will say low content box. You can still select categories for your book, but it's just kind of interesting. If you don't select this, then it says that your book will be rejected. Which like it makes sense because it's a rule there. And now I'm just going to go back to this title tab so I can show you guys those boxes. Here we go. It's finally loading. But it's really awesome. I think this update is actually going to be pretty helpful. I feel like there's some mixed feelings about it, and I have some worries myself. But overall, I think it's great that low content books are being recognized by KDP, because so many people or so many websites I've seen are like, oh, like, don't do low content, you'll get shut down, things like that. But like, this just proves like you're not going to get shut down. They just have certain rules for it now. So as you can see here, there's a low content book box, and I think that's just amazing. I have a bunch of random words here, random categories. This is just to show you some of the updates. So I'm not actually uploading a book right now, so don't come at me for all my randomly lettered type titles and things like that, please. So then when you go to the edit page, the ISBN where it would normally be at the top, it has an option for publish without an ISBN, and it automatically selects it because you selected, or I selected, the low content books. And everything else looks to be about the same. So that's pretty cool, and it gives some examples like notebooks, planners, journals, and other similar works. And it says at the top of the FAQ that activity puzzle books or coloring books is typically not included because they generally do not feature repetitive content on each page. So if you're not sure if it's low content, look for this repetitive content on each page and the examples. Let's scroll down, and it says what type of barcode will appear on a low content book. If you use your own ISBN, you can upload a cover with or without one. If you choose to publish without an ISBN or decide to not provide your own, they'll automatically place a barcode. So that's good. Obviously there's certain features that are locked once you publish it. That's been with everything. You can click on this link and see any of the changes you can make. You can't change your ISBN once you publish it. You'd have to unpublish your book in order to change that. Some other differences between using an ISBN and not using one is that expanded distribution is not supported for low content books, regardless of the ISBN option. So that is new. The look inside feature is not supported for low content books without an ISBN. So if you purchase your own, you can buy it through like this website or another website that they list here, and then you can have a look inside feature. I honestly think this is going to be a game changer, and not really in a good way, because for me, like, low content books, I don't think it's always the cover, I guess, and the title that sells the book. I think when there's so many similar things, like similar diaries and journals and things like that, I think the content inside is really what sells people, and I feel like people are going to be turned off if they can't look inside the book. So I don't know if people are going to start putting the pages on the back or the cover. Like, I don't know. I'm kind of really interested to see how this no look inside feature affects sales and things like that with low content books. And then transparency codes are not available for low content books. I'd have to look into what transparency codes are and everything like that. I'm honestly not super educated on that, so I'm not really going to talk about it because I wouldn't even know where to start. So, anyways, I think overall this is going to be good for KDP because they're a business looking to make money. So why would they do anything that won't make them more money? And if it doesn't work, they'll change it. That's like businesses learn and grow as they go. So I personally wouldn't recommend buying an ISBN for your low content book if you're using that just to educate yourself and learn how to use KDP and how to create content. If you're very successful and you know what you're doing and everything like that, then of course, like, you can buy them, do what's best for you. I mean, you can buy them even if you are brand new. Just do what's best for you in your business. Like, you can take my advice and you can listen to it or you cannot listen to it. Like, that is totally up to you. I just wanted to share with you guys my knowledge and my opinion. I haven't even been working my business, so don't do what I'm doing right now. Like, I haven't uploaded a book in weeks, and I've barely got a YouTube video out, but I'm still making sales, and you can check my income reports. I'm not making many sales, not at all, and I plan to do one for May, hopefully at some point, but regardless, I'm not doing anything, and I'm making sales, and I feel like that is amazing, whether I'm only making $2 or $50 or whatever it is. Like, in order to be able to make money while I'm not doing anything is a win for me. And I can only imagine, like, how much more money I can make if I have a really great foundation. And I really hope that someday I do have enough books and enough background and education and experience to have enough content to be making thousands a month. Like, there's some channels out there, they haven't created a book in over a year, and they're still bringing in thousands of dollars a month. So I think this business is great, and I think that this new update to low content will probably be helpful. I'm a little worried about some things, like the look inside feature, but hey, you never know. We'll see how it goes. This is a new update that just launched, I believe, May 17th. So, yeah, I hope that this video was helpful to give you guys a bit of an idea about all of this. This is all new to me as well, and everyone else. If you have any opinions, feedback on this, I would love to hear it. Like, let me know if you've published a book like this and how it's doing. And I know it hasn't been that long, but I just think it would be super great to learn and gain experience. And I love getting to talk to all of you guys. So just please remember to be kind and respectful in the comments. I appreciate it so much. You guys are amazing. So thank you so much for watching and listening. And I hope you all have a fantastic day.